welcome to tonight's video. I'm super excited because we are opening up the Curateur box for summer 2020, and I did see the spoilers, and I think this might be my favorite one yet. So if you don't know what this is, it's changed its name for at least a couple boxes now, but it is formerly known as the Box of Style by Rachel Zoe. Rachel Zoe still does curate this box, and it is my bougiest box, and I love it so much. So you get 5 items. It's valued at $99, or not valued at, the value is huge, but it's $99.99 per season. There is a code SUMMER25. I'll leave it down below along with the link. If you want to save $25 off your first box, you get $425 in value at least in this box. It's crazy. So if you want to feel special and bougie, or maybe last minute gift to make your mom or a loved one feel special and bougie, this box is awesome. And yeah, Rachel Zoe is such great style. I love this box so much. So all the information will be down below. Before we get to the unboxing though, I just want to take a quick moment to say thank you to everyone who said happy birthday to me. I know I have not responded back to everyone yet, but I plan to soon. And thank you to everyone who joined the live stream. That was super fun. You guys were by far the highlight of my day, so I appreciate you. You guys are awesome. You should already know that. You know I love you. But yeah, that was really fun. So we should do it again soon. The next thing I want to talk about really quick before we get started is that I can't believe that today was, for annual members, the pick for FabFitFun. I didn't do a FabFitFun spoilers video, so I think on Sunday I'm going to do a live stream because I had so much fun doing the last live stream and go through my picks because I get charged for any add-ons and stuff on Monday or like 3 a.m. on Monday. So that will encourage me to do that, and we can go over my thoughts and your thoughts too since it will be live. So I don't know what time yet, probably evening, but not too late. I don't know. I'll let you know, but I plan on doing that. And I think that's all I wanted to say. Thank you again, and let's get started and see what's in the box. There's actually one item you get to customize in this box. I'll bring it up when we get to it. Oh, and one other thing I want to say, I took a little course through YouTube Academy, or they call it YouTube Space, yesterday, and it was with Canon to learn how to use my camera better. So I changed some settings. I don't know how it's going to be if it is even different, so I'm working on it. I may seem lazy, but I am working on our channel. I got a new mic and then new camera settings. I'm trying. Hopefully the lighting will be okay. But anyways, when I open it up, this is what it looks like. So Curateur, welcome to a life well curated. I put it here as that. Yeah, that actually seems okay. You can still see my beautiful flowers. Thank you, Mom and Dad. There seems to always be a bag. Oh, I can actually just put this down for the cats. Oh, and that's nice. It says this box is made from 100% recycled materials. Sustainability is always in style. Yeah. So the bag has all the other items inside it, and this is actually by Rachel Zoe. I was gonna wear a Rachel Zoe top, my one Rachel Zoe top I have that I got in the tote today, but I wore this one for a reason, just so I can try something on maybe over it. This is my newest Free People top. Yeah, I'll take the other items out really quick, or at least some of them. This is so cute. When I saw this is the first thing I noticed. When I saw the picture of all the items, I was like, I love this. This is a retail value of $105. It's the natural, I don't know the name of it. I can put it down below or just ask me, but this is by Rachel Zoe, and it is so beautiful. Oh my god. I will wear this all summer long. Hi, Archer. I knew a cat would go in that box right away. I'll get the other items out. And it is perfect size. You can put your beach towel in there if you need to for summer. It definitely has summer vibes, but you can wear it all year round. So there is a snap closure, so your stuff won't fall out. There's 2 open pockets and then a zippered pocket. And I love this so much. Let's see. I'm pretty sure this is made from vegan leather, if I'm remembering correctly. I'm looking at the label to see. Oh. Archie, you have tape on you? Oh, are you okay? You got it off. Where does it say? This article contains new material only, polyethylene vinyl acetate. What? Yeah, linen, cotton, polyester. Yeah, cool. And yeah, $105 too. So even if you're paying full price for the box, like if it was your second box, like after you used a coupon, because they seem to always provide a coupon code, thank you, Curator, saving the $25. But anyways, point being, that is more than what the box, what you would pay. Let's move on to the next item. I've had this before, and it is like one of my top favorite lip oils. You guys know I love lip oils. If you don't, I love lip oils. This is by Marc Jacobs. I actually got this as a gift from my dear friend Southern Mom, aka Nikki. Well, Nikki, aka Southern Mom, I think is how he properly would say that. But this is seriously like the best. I bought so many Marc Jacobs lip products since I got this. I think I have like I think I have 6 other Marc Jacobs lip products now, and this is what made me fall in love with their lip formula, but this is different than the other ones I have. Anyways, this is their lip oil, like I've said a million times, and hydrating coconut. It's called Recover, so hydrating coconut lip oil in Kissability, so it's clear. Last time I looked, this was the only lip oil shade, but they have these like glossy lip balms that are so good. I have in now 3 shades, and then I have their enamored lip glosses, which are so pigmented, but they're glossy, like those are great, but this one's just clear. And it is perfect. It makes you look like you have a gloss on, like juicy lips. Oh, I'm gonna put it over what I have on. Even though I don't like to make the like wand or the doe foot contaminated with color, but we don't care. Oh my god, yes. It's not sticky at all because it's a lip oil, but looks like a gloss. Yeah, here, I'll just wipe the excess or the stuff that came off on my hands. But I love this stuff. It's so good. And I'm so happy to have it again. Yay. I'm thirsty as fuck. I tried to wear my hair down, but I just couldn't. I pulled it back. But it looks like we have some jewelry. I recognize this brand. Look, it's purple. Melinda Maria. Oh, I'm wearing some of my jewelry from the spring box. These are some rings. They came with 3, but I just have 2 on. I think the other one's in my bathroom. But always good stuff. And it's a necklace. This is so pretty. There's a moon on it. You guys know I'm like, I didn't know that. I saw the necklace and I thought it was cute. There was a pendant, but oh my god, I live my life around the moon cycle. Yes, so excited. I love the chain look. Oh my god, like stars are the crystals. Oh my god, yes. This is so awesome. We're putting this on. Archer. So pretty. I'll just keep my heart on for now too, I think. No, because it kind of interferes with the moon. There, my heart does end the heart necklace. Okay, I think this is my favorite thing now. I know I love all 3. This is the best box. I knew it was gonna be my favorite, and I can't believe I'm surprised. Oh my god, I love this so much. Yay, we have 2 things to go. Next up is by Golden State. This is their Nourishing Facial Oil. Love facial oils, use them every day. I think I've got a couple like compliments past week about my skin being great. Thank you so much, but I attribute it to hydration. Like in and out, I need to hydrate more on the inside. But on the outside, using face oils, even if you have oily skin, use face oil and use sunscreen. Stay out of the sun. So yeah, moisturizing your skin and staying out of the sun is the trick to eternal youth, I think. So this looks great. Get that golden hour glow with luxe nutrient-rich blend of 20 plus oils and extracts, including healing carrot seed and brightening rosehip. I'm trying to get Archer to stay in style day because every time he goes out, he gets dirty and it seems like he has allergies. So you might hear him crying the rest of the video. I apologize. But this will be a quicker video than usual, I think. And this is what it looks like. I turned off the auto white balance, so I think that'll help with me showing you guys things. I hope. I don't know why I keep repeating that. Ooh, this feels really nice. Just putting it on half my hand because there is lip gloss all over it. Oh, got on my nose. The first thought I had was like pizza, and I don't know why. Is there like Why would I think that? There must be basil in here. Or maybe it's that carrot seed. What's in here? There's rosehip oil, carrot seed oil, and sea buckthorn oil. I don't know why I thought of pizza, but that's not a bad thing. Like a spice. It smells good. Yeah, there is basil oil in it. It's like in the bottom of the lid. I smelled that. Nice. I'm excited to actually apply it to my face. I'll do that tonight. But the last item, this is a caftan. I feel like I always like say it wrong, but it reminds me of Sam Smith, who I love, the singer. He said he wants to like just get old and fat and just be in like caftans. He was on the late night show, like Carpool Karaoke. I used to watch it all the time. My mom got me hooked on it. It like brings good vibes. I'm gonna watch that. But anyways, this is by Walter Baker. I think it's just so beautiful. So this is the choice item. You could have chosen this caftan, or you could have chosen a really beautiful towel. And I have a lot of towels already, so yeah, that's why I picked this one. But both looked like great choices. So let me try it on. Oh, yes, I love this, and I love the colors go with like the color schemes I've been into lately. How far down? It's really long too. Yeah, it goes down to my feet pretty much. And there's a tie right here. Yes. I love this so much. I love every single item, like a lot. Like love, love, love. I'm so excited. This is definitely by far the best one. They're always good. I have a playlist for pretty much every box I open besides the brand new ones. Obviously, because it's only like first box I open. But anyways, yeah, there's a playlist if you want to check out past boxes I received, but I think it's great. So yeah, again, spoil yourself, spoil your mom, spoil whoever, because this box is awesome. Get $25 off. Yes, I think this was so good. Yay! So that's it for today, guys. Hopefully I will see you Sunday for my live. Again, I'll let you know the time, probably 7 or 8 p.m. like usual, but we'll see. Maybe I'll be like up early that day. But yeah, I'm super happy this made my night. You guys always make my night when you guys leave comments, so please let me know your thoughts down below. Special thank you to my channel members. You guys are the best. Each and every single one of you is the best. I'm mixing up my little outro right now because I'm overly excited, but in a yay, I feel like this is like birthday gifts to myself. Yay, I love it so much. But anyways, yeah, stay healthy. You guys have a great night. Happy Friday, happy weekend. Stay out of trouble if you can, and I will see you soon. Bye, love you.